What's the meaning of cloud computing? Cloud computing. Cloud computing.
Cloud computing. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that allows users to access and use computing resources, such as servers, storage, applications, and services, over the Internet. Instead of having to invest in and manage their own physical infrastructure, users can run their applications and store data on remote servers hosted by cloud providers. This provides greater scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency, as users only pay for the resources they use, and can easily expand or contract their usage as needed. Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses and individuals access and use technology, enabling faster innovation and digital transformation.